Hi guys, welcome to the Next Helmets YouTube channel. My name is João and I'm here to explain you how to remove and place the lining of X.Lifecountry and X.Lifetour. Start by unfastening the buckle and open the chin mask. Then pull the top lining on the front end and on the rear end. After that, remove the top lining from the helmet and attach the 3 pins of the padding from the sides. Pull the padding until it clicks off. After that, slide the padding so it can be totally unattached. And do not forget to remove the chin strap from the side padding. Do it on both sides. This is how you remove the lining. Now I'm going to show you how to properly place it. On the front head zone, you will have 5 clips to lock your top lining. And on the rear, you will have 3. Make sure you apply some good pressure to make it fixed. To place the side padding, don't forget to pass the chin strap through it. Then, make sure you fix the hook on the click near the sides. Fix it on the rear zone and make the force you need to make sure it is well placed. Then slide the side padding and clip the other side too. We will have 3 clips to attach on the side. Make sure all of them are well attached. On the other side, just repeat all of this process. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. We have a lot more videos in our channel like this. Don't forget to check them out. Have a nice ride.